Do you know what the number one meal is that people eat when they try and lose weight? It's this. Can you guess? Yep. It's a salad. And it normally looks like that as well. In fact, I'm lying. It looks a bit like this. There you go. Let's add a tomato and complete our healthy meal. And the problem with this is, a week or two after they start eating healthy, people come to me and go, Peter, I'm eating so healthy, but I've got no energy. I don't know what's going on. I'm getting skinny fat. What is it? I'm eating healthy salads. No, you're eating nothing. That's what you're eating. That's not a meal right there. And so guys, today I quickly want to show you one of the recipes out of my brand new cookbook, 27 meals that I used during my own body transformation to lose over 100 pounds, so that you can see exactly how to build a healthy meal. And to compare apples with apples, I'm actually going to show you one of my salad recipes, because build a salad properly and it will become one of the most nutrient dense, most healthiest, most tastiest, most filling meals you can ever eat. You want to see me build one? Check this out. By the way, don't worry about writing it all down or anything. At the end of this video, I'll give you a link where you can go and download this complete recipe. But let's check on how to build the ultimate salad. I call this the man salad. First, we're going to start with a healthy protein source. Every single meal needs to have a healthy protein source. And I am going to cook free-range beef strips on medium heat in a little bit of coconut oil. Next, we're going to build the body of the salad. And I always like to start with my biggest leaves first. And we're going to have a combination of spinach leaves, rocket leaves, and watercress. Next, we're going to take the nutrient density up a level by adding what I call baby herb leaves. And once again, I just like to buy a mixture of these kind of baby herb leaves and stick it in there. And then finally, this is one of the secrets to take your salad's nutrient density to a whole new level, and that is adding sprouts. Once again, I just buy a mixture of sprouts, and what this double up as well is it adds a nice little bit of crunchiness, so you can skip the whole unhealthy croutons, but still have that crunchiness in your salads. The next ingredient is our healthy fats. Most meals needs to have a portion of healthy fats, and we are just going to add a nice half portion of avocado cut up into pieces. Then we're just going to add some salt and some pepper. And remember guys, you can add many other things. You can add little pieces of onions or tomatoes. You can spice this up a lot more if you like. And then finally, we're going to finish it off by adding those beef strips on top. And then I normally just like to add a nice bit of zangy taste, if you can say that, by drizzling a bit of balsamic vinegar over the top. And that is your salad all done. So there you go, guys. Now you can see what an actual healthy salad looks like. And these are the kind of meals that you will find in my brand new cookbook, the 27 meals that I used during my own body transformation to lose over 100 pounds. And guess what? I continue to eat it to this day, 12 years later, to maintain my results. And why does it work? Because when you have recipes like this, which is a core recipe, in other words, I teach you how to build a salad. You can very quickly swap out the healthy fat sources for something else, the healthy protein sources, and so there's 100 different varieties, and you never get bored of eating, but you know that your meals are built properly to provide you with all the macro and micronutrients. So guys, like I've mentioned, you can go and download this complete recipe over at 27to100.com/man salad. And don't forget, for the next couple of days, you can still grab my brand new cookbook at 80% off and for just $3 at 27to100.com. I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. And make sure from now onwards, if you build a salad, build it properly so that you can get all the nutrients you need so that you can go out there and live life to the fullest. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.